How to recover deleted photos, videos, and messages on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video, I will show you how you can recover your deleted photos, videos, as well as messages on the Snapchat app. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now this really depends upon whether you're using on Android or iOS. If you're using your Android, you might have backed up your messages to Google Drive or your memory section. And of course, if you're using on your iPhone or your iOS device, then you could have backed it up to your iCloud. Now first things first, what we would just want to do is we want to go ahead and then launch the Snapchat application, as you can relatively see just like this. And then you want to tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen. You want to come to your profile page, then you want to tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Now under it, you have to look for the option called memories. Now what this does is that you can see backup progress. You want to make sure that smart backup is actually turned on, and you want to make sure that your backup progress is complete. Now keep in mind that if your backup progress is incomplete, you might have not backed up anything to Snapchat yet, and that could be another reason why you will not be able to restore it. So you just want to keep that in mind. However, if that is not the issue, there is also another thing that I can tell you, and that is to simply request Snapchat to give you all of your data ever since the time you created your account. So what this does is that even if you might have deleted it from your Snapchat app, Snapchat is going to keep a record of it on the database itself. So if you want to download the whole data, you have to request Snapchat by scrolling down to the bottom of the screen, and then here you'll find the option called My Data. Once you go to the option called My Data, of course it's going to take a while, but then you just need to enter your password, and as you enter your password, then you tap on the continue buttons. You will receive an email from Snapchat after a couple of days with all of your data that you can download. But you also want to keep in mind that Snapchat is actually a privacy focused application. That is the simple reason why it doesn't allow you to take screenshots of messages and even the snaps that the other person sent to you. So if you're talking about viewing all the snaps, then of course there will be no way that Snapchat is going to let you do that, because of course I said that it runs an end-to-end encryption, which means that it itself is not going to keep data. So how are they going to provide it to you? But however, if you have saved it and you deleted it, just try some of these methods. If it worked, that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't, then you just have to go with it. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.